Samsung is preparing for a significant year in the market for foldable smartphones. The anticipated July release of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 is drawing near. According to recent South Korean rumors, Samsung is expected to begin mass-producing these gadgets by May. Yes, exactly. As Samsung Electronics and Samsung Display get ready to introduce the next generation of foldables, production lines are going to get busy. Display production for the new models has already begun at Samsung Display, the firm that makes the folding OLED panels used in the Z Fold and Z Flip series. These panels will be transported to Samsung Electronics when they are prepared, and final assembly is anticipated to start in May. Remarkably, Samsung Electronics and Samsung Display both have plants in Vietnam. Before being delivered all around the world, the majority of Samsung phones, including the foldables, are made here. Therefore, it's likely that your Galaxy phone was manufactured in Vietnam if you live in the US, Europe, or another country. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to ship in July. In order to prevent sales overlap, Samsung may choose to postpone the release of the FE model. After all, sales of the more expensive Z Flip May 7th suffer if customers are given the option to choose between a premium model and a less expensive one at the same time. The most recent news suggests that Samsung may be planning to debut the Galaxy Z Flip FE in the fourth quarter of this year, perhaps in October or November. Samsung may be able to capitalize on two waves of consumer enthusiasm with its phased rollout approach. July will see the release of the more expensive FE model, followed later in the year by the high-end variants. Samsung appears committed to staying ahead of the curve. In order to accommodate a wider range of price points, the company has expanded its product lineup in addition to making hardware enhancements. We may anticipate little but significant improvements with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Improvements in hinge mechanisms, battery life, display durability, and software with Galaxy AI are all eagerly expected, even if the complete specification sheets have not yet been formally released. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.